Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katsia. So the 1st of November just passed and I could not be happier. If you know what that means, well anyway, for me, it means that I'm going to be starting to put up my Christmas decorations. I am so excited. It's my favorite holiday. If you've been following me for a while, you know just how important Christmas is to me. I adore Christmas. So since I'm putting up my Christmas tree, what I thought of doing is obviously some Christmas ornaments. But the reason why I'm doing Christmas ornaments is I'm going to be adding little touches of black and gold into my tree. Last year it was very earthy. It was a lot of seashells, neutral colors. I'm still gonna keep it in the neutral color, but I'm gonna add little touches of black. So what I thought I would do is do a few ornaments. I actually, when I started the process, I was like, I did one, I did two, and then I started getting really creative. So I did a couple of them. They're not too complicated, easy to do. I kept them very simple, but I think they turned out great. So I could not be happier. But before we get into it, I just wanted to do a little mini jewelry haul. I got some jewelry from Ana Luisa, and you guys know how much I love their jewelry. It's one of my favorite jewelry stores, and I recently got a few pieces. I do feel that they are the perfect gift for the holidays. So I'm gonna start off for my first piece that I end up getting. I got this beautiful necklace. It is called the Fortuna, and it is amazing. It is so beautiful. It has this sort of like eye on it. It is so perfect. It has this ivory look, iridescent, I think it's called. Yeah, it has this sort of iridescent look and an engraved eye in it, and it is just the perfect necklace. I think it's so elegant, it's feminine, and it is a great layering piece as well. I think you can wear it alone and wear it as a statement necklace, or if you're like me, loving a good layering, it is the perfect layering necklace. So moving on to my next piece, I end up getting a ring. I got this beautiful wade ring. It is this super large band. If you want to mix up jewelry, I love to mix my silver and gold together, and I just think it works beautifully. Even with the other bands that I got from Ana Luisa, I think if you pair them together, it's just, oh, a match made in heaven. I was looking for a bigger band and I love it. It is so pretty. It's just one of those timeless pieces that I think you can get so much use out of it, and I think it goes with everybody's style. It goes with like a funkier person like me who's a little bit more extrovert, and then there's, you know, the more simple or more elegant styles that people are just a bit more classy. I think it goes with every single style. This is definitely a great gift for your mom, your sister, whoever. I'm gonna move on to my last piece. It is called the Aura bracelet. I thought this bracelet was so fun, so unique. It's the same thing as if you were wearing like a watch band but without the watch. I just loved it. I thought it was so cool. I love, again, mixing my silver and gold together. It gave texture to my bangles and I am obsessed with it. It's so nice. I'm actually going to be ordering more pieces, so stay tuned for what I order next. I've been ordering a lot of gold pieces, but I think I'm going to go more into the silver just so I can keep mix matching the pieces. I love Ana Luisa, and right now they are having buy one, get the other one 60% off. So if you guys are interested, I will leave all their information down below. For sure you will find the perfect gift for yourself or for somebody else. Anyway, enough said. Love Ana Luisa. We're going to jump right into this video. Enjoy. that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Next, I'm thinking of putting up my Christmas tree. So let me know, comment down below if this is something you guys would want to see. It's not going to be that much different from last year, but I do think just changing things up, just adding different colors or just tweaking little things here and there can totally make a difference when you're going from year to year without spending a huge amount on Christmas every year. Just changing up a little bit of the ornaments in your tree can totally make a huge difference. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite too. Thank you so much for watching. You're the best. I love you always. Have an amazing day. Mwah.